I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from the Painless Financial Training Group. Today I'm talking about 2022 notices of assessment for personal income taxes. A lot of people are still getting back those forms from the government where they filed their 2022 tax return probably at the last minute, and CRA, they were on strike. They're getting organized. They are just getting a lot of those returns assessed. So what happens if you thought you owed $1,000 and it comes back and says you owe $1,300? You owe more than you thought you were going to have to owe. We get calls about that, of course, for the tax returns that we've prepared. And some of those people are kind of rude. They think that we have made a mistake. That is not usually the case. Well, the case where someone owes more than they thought they were going to owe, it's because they didn't pay their installments on time, so CRA has charged them installment interest. Or they haven't paid their taxes on time, and by the time CRA assesses that, there has been some interest accrued. So if they assess the return in June and it was due May 1st, well, you're going to have a few weeks of interest if you haven't made that payment. So as a taxpayer, you should understand why you owe more income tax than you thought. Is it because you're not paying things on time? Is it because you didn't make your installments? Or maybe when your tax return was prepared, you owed money because you didn't have enough tax taken off from your employment or other sources. It's important for you to understand what is causing these problems so you can fix them. If you owe more than you thought you did because you're not paying things on time, very simple solution. You should start paying your payments on time. If it is the fact that you're not having enough tax taken off its source, then fix your TD1 and have that done. Okay? As a taxpayer, the onus is on you to make sure you understand enough of your tax situation so that you don't pay needless amounts of interest or penalties to Canada Revenue Agency.